Greetings one and all. My name is Abhishek and our topic for today's presentation is measurement of high power frequency AC using current transformer with electro-optical signal converter. So what is current transformer? Current transformer is basically a type of transformer which is used to reduce or multiply the value of alternating current. And there are two main functions of current transformers, which is protection and measurement of alternating current. And protection involves the protection of device, and in some cases both of these functions can be combined and used together. So in this slides we are going to see how to measure high power frequency currents using current transformer with electro optical signal converter method. High power frequency current transformers are normally measured using current transformers, as use of low resistance shunts involves unnecessary power loss. Besides, the current transformers provide isolation from high voltage circuits, and thus it is safer to work on HV circuits. So moving on.
Hello everyone, I am Suraj Jadhav, and further moving on our topic, let's see why we should prefer CT over shunt resistance. But before that, let's see what is CT and what is shunt resistance. So, CT is a current transformer. It is a type of transformer that is used to reduce or multiply an alternating current. It produces a current in its secondary which is proportional to its primary, while shunts are low resistance elements that are directly inserted in the main current path. They operate on the principle of phase voltage drop and are suitable to measure current. But as they have to integrate directly into the circuit, efficiency decreases. And as we know, resistance have more losses than the current transformer. Also, the shunt resistance have to directly integrate into a circuit. That is why we cannot provide separate insulation to the shunts, while we can provide separate insulation to the CTs. Also, CTs can be integrated with electro-optical techniques, which gives them more modifying way to measure currents. Now let's see why to use CT with electro-optical signal converter. Now, as we have discussed, CT is better choice than shunt resistance, but not alone CT can tackle all the problems. CT has disadvantages like it is a high loss type of transformer due to the large air gap, and it is not suitable to use as a power transformer. Also, the open circuit secondary is very high and dangerous. The secondary must be kept short or short out to prevent the hazards. That is the only reason why high voltage city system are kept very high voltage with respect to ground. Also, in city, due to air gap, there is a problem of electromagnetic interference, and high losses are occurs due to that electromagnetic interference. To reduce that losses, we have to use electro-optical signal converter with it. Now Aniket will explain how we integrate signal converter with CTs.
Hello everyone, I am Aniket from BE Electrical. Today I will be explaining the construction and working of electro-optical signal converter. Current transformer with electro-optical signal converter or EHV system consists of current sensing transformer, power supply current transformer, potential transformer, analog to digital signal converter, and electro-optical glass fiber and digital to analog converter. A voltage signal proportional to measuring current is passed through a EHV conductor. This is nothing but a EHV conductor, which is mentioned as a number 1. Then current transformer is used. This is nothing but a current transformer. A current transformer is used in the power circuit to step down the current to very low value. This is also a current transformer, which is mentioned as a number 3. This is a power supply current transformer. And the second one is current sensing transformer. The power supply current transformer is used in the power to step down the voltage to very low value. The EHV conductors act as a primary side of a current transformer. This is nothing but a potential transformer, which is mentioned as a number 4. Potential transformer primary is connected between EHV conductor and the ground through high resistance wire. The secondary side of a current transformer and potential transformer are given to the analog to digital converter, which converts analog signal into digital signal. This is nothing but number 5 is mentioned as analog to digital converter. Then this signal is given to digital to analog converter through electro-optical glass fiber. The digital signal is given to digital to analog converter and it converts it into analog form. This analog signal is given to the recording instrument, which is mentioned as a number 10. The accuracy of this system, overall accuracy, is about 5% of a rated current. Now, in short, the working will be in electro-optical technique, a voltage signal which proportional to the measuring current is produced and the voltage signal is transmitted to the ground. With the help of glass optical fiber bundled light pulses proportional to the voltage signal are transmitted to photodetector. Again, they are converted back into analog voltage signal. The accuracy of a system is 0.5% the instrument current transformer and the potential transformer are used to supply the power to signal converter and optical device. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Pandey from B Electrical. Now I am explain the advantages and disadvantages of electro-optical signal converter. So the advantages of direct magneto-optic transducers using optomagnetic active materials is the absence of additional disturbance variables caused by mechanical or electrical sensors parts such as hysteresis, saturation, induction, temperature influence, and damping. Over the last 30 years, numerous current measurement systems based on optical devices have been developed. OCTs have numerous potential advantages over conventional current transformer depending on their sensor principle. Potential advantages are immunity to electromagnetic interference, then large bandwidth, then potentially high sensitivity, ease in signal transmission, being compact and lightweight, ease of integration into digital control system. Now we have to see disadvantages of electro-optical signal converter. So first is fragility. So what is meant by fragility? So fragility means the quality of being easily broken or damaged of the part. So next is difficult to install, then difficult to attune and dispersion, then the high cost of the material and the special equipment is often required. So that's all. Thank you so much.